Hey, this is Alt 2.9. Yeah, Alt 2.9. And we're gonna be reacting to Mario goes to the fridge to get a glass of milk. Let's go. Alright, let's see what you got. Well, how's that fun? Oh, you're eating spaghetti. Okay. What do you mean, oh no? Looks like you ran out of food. Grocery store. Okay. I always love to go the grocery store or market or at the mall. Yeah. Well, hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah. Oh. It was Toad. Or Todd? Well, let's just say Toad. Toad is even better than Todd. Well, put your weapons down already. Well, okay then. Moo Moo Milk. Oh. Oh, that scared me a lot. Is that fish from SpongeBob? What's up with the toad's eyes? I laughed so hard. Okay. Oh, green means go. Well, do the barrel. Oh. That's okay, Luigi. At least you try. Oh, this moo of milk. Why don't we go? What? Didn't you hear me? I just got a job there, delivering milk. Wait, that's actually not a bad idea. I have a plan. No. Oh, well, since in 2010, well, that works. No, not the weapons. Sorry. I shouldn't be laughing. Uh-oh. All those milk could be guards. Jeez, is it me, Mario? I'm just getting some. Of course, no milkman. Milky boy. That right there! Really? Ian from Smosh? Oh! Ooh! Ah! Ooh, that's gonna be painful. I don't know now. I want to be turned into a garbage cube. Oh, well, you did. Run, Mario! Oh, you being arrested. Oh. Look out! Time to show you youngsters what Disciple is. Steve from Minecraft. Wow, look at all those cows. It doesn't feel like it. Okay, he's just falling into a spaghetti. A cow police. Okay, they're just dating. A cow. Animal Crossing music. Well, I heard about it. Ready bet? Ah man, I haven't gotten milk much. The other guys probably have me covered. We don't have any milk. Alright, time's up. You know, I'm not gonna say the man one. Is this some sort of joke? It's time for my signature spanking. What? Oh, wow. I never seen how cows acting like this. What is going on? Well, milk versus cows. Well, you better get out of here. So, yeah, why not? Ah, Steve. Well, you're home. For some milk. I guess. So who's up for some yummy milk? Well, I kinda like this video. Well, I guess, well, that's the end of the reaction, so, yeah. Alright, I'm just gonna turn it off, so, yeah, thanks for watching. I'll turn it off, so see ya.